Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best prediabetes cookbook is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to manage their prediabetes through diet. It offers a wealth of information, guiding you through meal planning and providing delicious recipes designed to help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. This cookbook is more than just a collection of recipes, it's a comprehensive guide to making informed food choices. Number 5. Prediabetes Action Plan and Cookbook. Many people are unaware they have prediabetes. This book can help you understand your risk and take action. It provides a simple guide to getting healthy. This cookbook offers practical advice and easy-to-follow steps. It empowers you to make positive changes in your diet and lifestyle. The book focuses on reversing prediabetes through diet and lifestyle modifications. It provides the tools and knowledge you need to manage your health. Inside, you'll find a variety of delicious recipes. They are designed to support your health goals and make healthy eating enjoyable. This book is your partner in taking control of your health. It offers a clear path to a healthier you. What we like. This cookbook offers a straightforward approach to managing prediabetes. It focuses on simplicity, making it easy to follow and implement. If you are looking for a clear, concise guide to get healthy and reverse prediabetes, you should consider this one. What people say. The book is split into two parts, Taking Action and the Recipes. Taking Action explains the differences between type 1 and type 2 diabetes and what prediabetes is. It also includes a 2-week action and meal plan. Each week includes recipes for each day, snack ideas, physical activity ideas, and how to meal prep for the week. Number 4. Everything Easy Prediabetes Cookbook. Are you looking for ways to manage prediabetes? This cookbook offers 200 healthy recipes. It can help you reverse and manage prediabetes. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of delicious and easy-to-make recipes. They are designed to support your health goals. This cookbook is your guide to a healthier lifestyle. Each recipe comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. You don't need to be a chef to create these meals. It makes healthy eating simple and enjoyable. Part of the Everything series, this cookbook provides reliable information. It is a trusted resource for managing your health. It is a great choice for those with prediabetes. Take control of your health with this cookbook. It is packed with recipes and information to help you. It is a great tool for anyone with prediabetes. What we like. This cookbook provides a wide variety of healthy recipes to help you manage prediabetes. It's designed for ease of use, ensuring that you can find delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. If you like having plenty of options and want a cookbook that simplifies meal planning, it's a great choice. What people say. Most of these recipes are simple and with a short list of ingredients I already have or normally purchase. The recipes use whole foods, and can be made in 30 minutes or less. They contain easily obtained ingredients, many of which you might already have. The recipes are accessible and achievable, no exotic hard-to-source ingredients, no esoteric techniques that only foodies will be able to attempt, yet the recipes offer more than the mundane, grilled protein and steamed veg that so many health-centered cookbooks offer. Number 3. 30-Minute Prediabetes Cookbook, 100 Easy Recipes. Are you looking for ways to manage your prediabetes? This cookbook offers 100 easy recipes to help you improve your health through diet. It provides simple and delicious meals that are quick to prepare. Inside, you'll find a variety of recipes designed to be both healthy and tasty. These recipes are crafted to fit into your busy schedule, taking only 30 minutes to make. It's a great way to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. This cookbook is more than just a collection of recipes, it's a guide to healthier eating. It helps you understand how diet impacts your prediabetes. Following the recipes can help you feel better and manage your condition effectively. Each recipe is designed to be quick and easy to follow. You won't need to be a culinary expert to prepare these meals. It makes healthy eating accessible and enjoyable for everyone. With this cookbook, you can create delicious and nutritious meals in just 30 minutes. It's perfect for those who want to eat well but have limited time. It makes it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. What we like. This cookbook is perfect for those with busy schedules. It offers recipes that can be prepared in just 30 minutes, making healthy eating convenient. If you have a hectic lifestyle and need quick, easy meals, it's the perfect solution. What people say. The recipes are amazing. Super easy to prepare, ingredients are staples or easily available in grocery stores, and the food tastes amazing. The author is both a chef and dietitian, so she is able to create delicious recipes that are well-rounded and nutritious. Number 2. The Diabetic Cookbook for Beginners. Are you looking for delicious and simple recipes? This cookbook is designed for those with type 2 diabetes. It offers a variety of tasty options to help manage your diet. This book is perfect for those newly diagnosed or at risk. It provides guidance and support for managing your health through food. It's a great resource to start your journey. The cookbook includes a comprehensive 30-day meal plan. It takes the guesswork out of meal planning, making it easier to stay on track. It helps you create a healthy eating habit. This is more than just a cookbook, it's a guide to a healthy diet. It provides valuable information and support. It empowers you to take control of your health. The recipes are easy to follow with pictures. It makes cooking simple and enjoyable. You will find the instructions are clear and the images are helpful. What we like. This cookbook is ideal for beginners, providing easy-to-follow recipes and a 30-day meal plan. It includes pictures to guide you through the cooking process. If you are newly diagnosed or prefer visual aids, it's a fantastic option. What people say. Each page features a beautiful picture of the meal to give you an idea of what it will look like. The book also includes desserts and smoothies with the nutritional value of each meal provided. The recipes are easy and variations of food we already love, with ingredients that can be found at my local store. Number 1. Keto Prediabetes Diet Plan. Cut carbs and eat clean. Are you looking for a way to manage your prediabetes? This plan offers a keto approach. It helps you cut carbs and eat clean for better health. The first step is to reduce your carbohydrate intake. This will help to lower your blood sugar levels. Following this plan can make a big difference. By following this diet, you can expect to see improvements in your blood sugar. It's designed to help you maintain healthy levels. This is a key benefit of the plan. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. This plan encourages you to eat clean. It's all about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. This plan combines the benefits of a keto diet with prediabetes management. It's a practical guide to help you make sustainable changes. It's designed to support your health goals. What we like. This cookbook offers a keto-based approach to managing prediabetes. It focuses on cutting carbs to help lower blood sugar levels. If you are interested in a keto diet and want to manage prediabetes, this is the one for you. What people say. This book could not have come at a better time. It rolls right into chapter 1, which gets straight to the point, how keto can help you lose weight and lower your A1C. This book has some amazing recipes that I can't wait to try, such as pumpkin pie smoothie, zucchini au gratin, strawberry yogurt pops, and minty hot chocolate. This book also has a 2-week meal plans to guide you along the way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.